In a big boost to self-reliance in defence, government sources say that manufacturing of over 5 lakh AK-203 rifles to start at Amethi in Uttar Pradesh. That's the story we're breaking at this hour. UP on the way to become a defence manufacturing hub in India. AK-203 rifles will replace the in-service INSAS rifle inducted over 3 decades ago. The project is going to be implemented by a special purpose joint venture called Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited. India Today was the only channel which visited the AK-203 factory in Moscow in Russia way back in 2019. Watch our mega exclusive by executive editor Shivadur from Moscow.
The basic minimum when it comes to the army in the field. This is the weapon he depends on. You are probably familiar with the AK-47, perhaps the most recognized assault rifle in the world. Variants of the legendary Kalashnikov rifle have been a mainstay for decades in the Indian Army. The other weapon that has been widespread but problematic use is the infantry's small arms system, or INSAS, recognizable by its signature orange stock and grip sections. But the truth is bitter one. For decades now, the army has not managed to induct a fully satisfactory assault rifle in large numbers. Comfortable that it has chosen a solid, no-nonsense firearm for its frontline troops. But if the INSAS and AK-47s are to bow out, what replaces them? And more importantly, when? The weapon that will be adopted in the largest numbers is this one, called AK-203, which is in fact a derivative of the old AK-47 itself. Much more modern and fine-tuned for updated combat. Nearly 7 lakh of these are to be built in UP's Amethi district as part of a joint venture between Russia's Kalashnikov and India's Ordnance Factory Board. The Indian Army chief has signalled that after years in suspense, the India-Russia deal is all set to be signed very soon.
All-round development has taken place. We have signed a number of contracts in the last year. And these range from weapons and protective gear for the infantry, to the mechanized forces, to fire support elements, long-range vectors, engineer stores and equipment, communication equipment.
Now, what the Indian Army wants is for this particular weapon, a pretty worthy successor of the old AK-47 to become a standard assault rifle infantry weapon for the infantry units of the Indian Army. One of the special things about this weapon, we're told, is that it has a special capability barrel. It has retrospective compatibility with many of the systems, including the magazines and ammunition of the old AK-47s. Remember, India's Rashtriya Rifles units and infantry regiments are one of the largest users in the world of the Kalashnikov series of rifles.
The legendary AK-47 will give way to its newest avatar, with the deal all set to be signed in the next few weeks. It is likely that the first new rifles will begin entering service next year. India's soldiers deserve the most reliable weapons, and the AK-203, which is to be manufactured in huge numbers, should meet all combat requirements in the field. Bureau Report, India Today.
And that's the news we're getting at this hour, that the manufacturing of the AK-203 has been given a green signal. It's undoubtedly a big boost to self-reliance in the defense sector. Abhishek Bhalla is getting us more details on that. A big step towards force modernization, and undoubtedly, Abhishek, also a step in the right direction when it comes to Atmanirbharta.
Finally, it seems that the wait is over, and the manufacturing of AK-203 will soon start in India. If the things had gone on time, if there were no hurdles, no bottlenecks over price negotiations, then this project was supposed to kickstart in 2019, but it's already been delayed by 2 years. It might still take another few months for the manufacturing to start, but a big boost. This was much awaited because the AK-203 is a new avatar of the AK-47, which was much needed. India had been struggling to have a Desi assault rifle, an assault rifle that is made in India. There were a lot of problems. The INSAS was considered old. It was inducted 3 decades back into the Indian Army. So finally, the Indian Army, which had a shortfall of more than 6 lakh modern assault rifles, will see this gap, closing down, because over 5 lakh of these AK-203s have to be manufactured over a period of time. And because there were delays, the Indian Army managed to procure 72,000 6-bore assault rifles from US, and also ordered another 72,000 that will be coming very soon. So put together, the gap of 6 lakh plus should be filled up very quickly now, and a big boost for the Indian Army troops at the borders, those who are part of counter-terror operations. This was much awaited, Sneha.
Abhishek Bhalla, thanks for getting us up to speed with those developments.